Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs trade analysis video where we're going to look at some of the trades we took last week in the premium signals group so that everybody can hopefully learn something from it, from the technical analysis, and you can get an idea of the trades we have been taking. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and in the comment section below I will pin a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can check out all of the results from our premium signals group. So I'm going to look at three trades. We had another great week last week, just one small loss for 1%, which I will cover as well, but I've selected three trades to look at. And first of all, we're starting here with Magic, and the reason we took this trade was we got this impulsive green candle up here which broke through these resistance points here. So what I was looking for was a back test of the old resistance area to become new support, and we also have many key levels between that and our stop loss. So if we didn't get an immediate bounce here, we had a nice area to dollar cost average. We had the previous week midpoint, the daily open, the Monday midpoint, and of course even if they all failed, we had the old resistance trend line, which should have given us a bounce as well, and the support from the old before we saw the breakout as well. So I will press the play button. We'll see how the trade played out, and we can see that we got our fills there and it went right through the entry zone. So we got a great average entry. We hit two take profit targets, so we secured a nice move at this point here. So this is where we got our bounce from. We can see the trend line held up, and we secured profits, TP2. We move our stops to entry by that point. Just with the way the market's been in recent days, you know, you've got to secure profit early, move your stops, make it risk free, which was the right thing to do because, you know, once you start to accept back below this trend line, we did eventually head lower. So yeah, securing here at profit target 2. The next trade I will take a look at was Litecoin, and this one we hit a very small stop loss. And the idea behind this trade was very simple. Again, looking at the 30-minute chart here, and we can see this trend line support here. We broke down from it here, and we've got a supply candle there. So we was really looking for a retest of this area. In the breakdown, we can see we lost the Monday low as well, which is always a key level. So we were really looking for something like this to play out the supply, to, you know, reject the trend line. But the way it played out was it actually invalidated that, and we went get cut straight through the supply and move up and hit our stops. I put a very tight stop loss on this, so really simply just above these highs here. So after dollar cost averaging, we only lost 1%, which, you know, in the grand scheme of things, with the rest of the trades we took, was really not a big deal. The third trade I will take a look at here is Atom, and this time we're looking at a bigger time frame. This is the 4-hour chart, and we can see we had. I was looking at this order block candle just here, and although we've tested it a number of times, always seen a good bounce. Hadn't been tested for a while, and you can see here I noticed we lost the monthly open level, lost the 2023 point of control. So we was looking for a move down to test these levels next, and this played out really well. So we got there, we got a perfect touch of our entry zone, and we went straight to TP2. Similar to the Magic trade, we secured profit early, stops to entry, which was the right thing to do because this 2023 point of control was always going to be a strong resistance level because it's a long-term level, and I think we did end up rejecting from that, yeah, and we headed lower, but yeah, we caught a great move, and we can see how the entry that we took there was exact, straight off of that level is where we saw the bounce. I hope you found this video useful, guys, and I will see you next week on the next video.